Can you let us through? Yeah.
So there's stairs there, and there's stairs there.
Oh, wow. What?
Want a ball?
Yeah, I'd love a ball. How was it?
I want to see it.
How was it?
I feel like that was so dope.
How was it?
It was pretty cool.
Okay. So his nose is bleeding.
Oh my god. I just had to hold that one.
Yeah, we didn't have any towels. These were in the back. And so he was just
I just started holding it.
Didn't get anything on your pants.
Oh my god.
Okay now. Chill.
Wow, look at the blood right there. That was out of nowhere.
Yeah, well, I mean, you sneezed. That was
Did
probably.
I sneeze?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you better now?
I'm a little better now. Do I have blood on my face?
No.
Really?
Oh, yeah, on
Like
your
right here.
That was our last trail?
Yep. So, how many did we just do? Like 7?
Yeah, something like that.
They're all like 0.2 mile trails or something.
Yeah.
But, ooh, it's starting to rain. But that's it for Black Canyon. And we're gonna make our way down the mountain and go to Arches next.
Yep, a shower, then Arches.
Yeah.
Alright, goodbye.
It's just not the same. Hello.
Whoa.
What? Oh my gosh.
It was like a moth or a butterfly and it like almost landed on your head.
Almost hit me?
Yeah.
Was it on camera? It didn't happen if it wasn't on camera. So Moab, Utah is a major off-roading place. A lot of Wranglers and really built vehicles will go here. So it's like one of the best off-roading places in America, in a lot of people's opinion. So we're here. I wanted to go here for so long, and now we are. So this is gonna be exciting. Yeah. Stay tuned for the GoPro footage.
Moab.
It's Moab. So excited. Wait a second. Drive.
So we got this on our windshield. It was right there. And look. So it says, I got some cool pictures from the top of the rocks when the sun came up. Got a couple with your truck in them. If you want, I can email them to you. Enjoy your trip. Safe travels, Jim.
just a little closer to those men who are going into the hottest spots. I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
Ooh, that lady has Arizona tea.
Hey, wait. Once we get to Arizona, is it just called tea?
Well,
like, really?
I mean, we're not going to Arizona, so
Oh, we're
guess
not?
we won't find out.
Dang.
So we're going on like the main hike, the arch of the arches, and we didn't realize what we were getting ourselves into.
People look so small up there.
Whoever rated this trail as moderate on all trails is a liar.
They're an idiot.